What's going on, everybody? I'm James Young with jamesyoungphotography.com, and this is Teach Me How to Lightroom. Actually, I think it's about time for an office tour. Welcome to the office. That was a fun intro. I hope you guys liked it. But let's get into this. I want to show you around. I want to show you all the cool stuff in my office, the place where I do my work, the place where all the magic happens, if you know what I'm saying. And check it out. If you're into any of the stuff that you see, all of the links are going to be in the description below so that you can check out all the different products, all the different things, all the different gear that you see. But let's get into it.
Starting off with the desk, I got this Ikea Decant desk. It's actually a sit-stand desk, so I can adjust it as I need to. If I want to stand up, I can stand up. If I want to sit down, I can sit down. I got it in the white finish. It's just real clean. And then I got some LEDs underneath that I could turn on to give me some underglow. And then of course I can stand that thing up whenever I want to. Powering my setup is a 15-inch 2017 MacBook Pro. Now make sure you peep that skin. It's a D brand skin, and I think it looks super dope. With the 2017-inch MacBook Pro, of course, it's got the Siri on the touch bar, and for the specs, I just went ahead and made it fully loaded. For the peripherals, I'm rocking the Apple mouse and the Apple Magic keyboard. I definitely enjoy using them because they're native to the OS, so I get to use the gestures and things like that. And of course, with these MacBook Pros, you gotta kind of be about that dongle life, but I do have this nice adapter where I can plug in all of my extra USB type things that I need to plug in. Now for the monitor, I'm using this LG 27-inch 4K panel. It comes equipped with USB Type-C, so I can power my MacBook Pro with it and plug more USBs into the back of this monitor. And it is being held up by this flexi mount monitor stand, which also has USB inputs on it as well. So definitely check it out if you're looking for a monitor stand. For my audio, I'm using these Bose speakers. Definitely check these out and consider these if you're not an audiophile and like super anal about the exact specifications of the sound. I think they sound great. For the microphone, right here, I'm using the Blue Yeti. I have upgraded my microphone setup since recording this, so be on the lookout for that. I'm also rocking a Samsung fast charger that desperately needs to be dusted, as well as a cool knickknack to keep me motivated. Now for my chair, I use a DX Racer. Definitely invest in your chair. You're gonna be spending a lot of time there with your anus plop down editing, so take care of yourself. Onto the shelves. I like to decorate my office with all the things that speak to me. So naturally, I'm gonna have a ton of my lenses here. So I shoot Canon, so you're gonna see stuff like the 135, the 16-35, the massive 70-200, and things like that. I also like to have all of my cameras out on display, so we're rocking a 5D Mark IV, a 5D Mark III, a 5D Mark II, and then an old vintage camera that my wife picked up for me as a gift a little while back. And then of course, I'm recording all of this footage with a 6D Mark II. I got me a hype sign from Urban Outfitters. Definitely peep that if you're into the neon signs. And then we have all kinds of fake IKEA plants throughout the shelves. Right here we got a Jordan 1, and a book, Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk, one of my heroes. We have some Star Wars pops and then a sign that says, do what you love. Being the Marvel nerd that I am, I'm rocking this Thanos pop vinyl that I got from the Marvel Collectors Corp box. RIP to them. Here we're rocking a metal print. Guys, make sure you print your prints. Got a nice little sign that is not advertiser friendly, so feel free to ignore that. Got me an oil diffuser. Keep you level-headed, boy. Moving on, we have a little macrame and another fake plant. And then here is where I stay productive. Gotta make sure that I'm always writing things down on my to-do list on my whiteboards here. Got these from Ikea also. They keep me straight. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's my humble office tour. Hopefully you saw something in there that you liked. If you did, all of the products are linked in the description down below. If you like this video, it would be awesome if you left a like. And if this is your first time seeing one of the videos, it would be awesome if you subscribed. Well, I'm James Young with jamesyoung.io, and I'll see you in the next video.